legislative body, and I cannot relate to a motion in this plenary to an issue that involves a collective decision that falls solely and exclusively under the jurisdiction and authority of an impeachment court. Having said that, Mr. President, my parliamentary inquiry is addressed, of course, to the Senate President. Mr. President, how do we deal with the pending motion? I refer to the motion to dismiss. Shall we even take it up or deal with it? Kasi wala po sa rules natin. Paano wala tayo pong guidelines? Kasi wala po sa rules natin yung motion to dismiss. So anong guidelines ang susundin natin in addressing the motion to dismiss submitted by the Honorable Marcoleta? Assuming arguendo, Mr. President, that the motion is voted upon and adopted by this body, what if, Mr. President, the Supreme Court reverses itself when it rules on the MR filed by the House of Representatives through the Solgen? Shall we also backtrack and reverse ourselves in dismissing the impeachment case? I pose that question, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you.
With it, we are in plenary as a legislative body. We are not an impeachment court. So yun ang tanong ko po, Mr. President. Yun ang essence ng aking parliament.
To dismiss is not part of our rules. But it is part of our rules po yung pagiging suppletory application po ng rules of court. In the rules of court, yung korte po can motu proprio dismiss a case kung wala pong jurisdiction. And considering that the rules of court has become part of our rules, that's why I use the motion to dismiss. Pag wala pong jurisdiction, halimbawa, sa isang korte, collection case po ito, 5,000 pesos po yung pinahal niya, dinismiss po ng court kahit hindi pa sumagot yung kalaban, Mr. President, kasi ang jurisdiction po ng korte hanggang 3,000 lang. Ganun po ibig sabihin nun. Minsan po, hindi po verified yung complaint, dinismiss. Sa motu proprio talagang dinidismiss. Paano po kaya kung sinabihan pa nga na the Senate didn't acquire jurisdiction over the case? Mas lalo po sigurong dapat nating panindigan na talagang i-dismiss na po natin, Mr. President.
Senator Lacson is recognized.
Again, I refer to our rules, Mr. President. Wala rin po ako makitang suppletory application sa rules of the Senate pagdating sa plenaryo. Pwede pong